from SOTA, and today I'm doing a review on my MK43. Alright, now to review on my MK43, first I'm going to show you is just for hop up. Just for hop up is basically right here on this slide. Slide it right there, and right here the little knob just up and down. Also do it right here in the back butt. One way you do that though is lift this handle up and you pop it open and it just pops right here. But it's a lot harder to do that on this gun because you have certain lag, which is very complicated in here. You put off the slide. And another good feature on here is the sight. When I bought the MK43, it was already adjusted. I shoot straight, had to move the little iron sight up and down, and just where I wanted, shot straight, got perfect where I wanted to go. The next feature I'll show you is the barrel comes apart, right here. Take this up, close, flip it upwards, the barrel slides off. It's good for if you want to clean your barrel out or anything like that. Yeah, trying to keep the barrel off by yourself is not easy to have. I recommend two people doing that because you will mess up your gun barrel and any electronics that are down here. Okay, next thing I'll go to is the handle, the carrying handle right here. I would not recommend running with this because as you see what's happening to mine, it's falling apart and it's bent. Never run with this, ever. Never hold it and run. Next thing I'll go to is your bipods. Bipods are very useful. I've used them a couple times. They are extendable. They do go longer, a lot longer. Send them nice and cold. This right here is called the MOSFET. You use it to just rate of fire on this gun. The rate of fire goes pretty high, and it goes FPS is pretty high too. It starts up at 350. You turn it to the left, you lower it down, it goes up to 350 and lower. You turn it to your right, it goes up more, and it goes up to 380 and higher. I don't think it's got to 400 yet. The highest I've gotten to is 394, and that's probably what it is. The other thing I'd like to use is clip. I'll be attaching it right here. This clip. It's a nice clip, same size. It's all black, covered in green caviar painting. It's really nice. I like it. It holds 5,000 rounds. I'd recommend doing one of these. You need another one unless you're shooting a whole lot of BBs. This is all you'll need. Put it into here. You gotta put this thing into here. You slide it right into this hole right here. Alright, you slide on there, then you twist it on. Yeah, twist it on. Yeah, see, you twist it on. Crap, come on, come on. Oh, come on now. I don't know. It won't come on. I'm trying to get the wrong way still, aren't I? It can't be. It's just not going on. It's too much work to put this shit on. Hey there. Once it's twist it on nice and tight.
That's what she said.
Alright. And you have a battery. Slide it in right here in the hole. Slide it here. And then you attach this little black piece, another little black piece, and it helps to do the audio load. This thing is an automatic loader. You can automatically load it, or you can put the cycle on its own, or you can put it when you shoot, it cycles the beats. Right here. Attach this right here, slide it like that. Put the battery in here, you put that battery in here, you attach it right there, good. Then slide the tubing in here, just gotta lift this thing up. Metal screen. Slide it up. Slide it up that metal piece right here. Latch on. Bottom, you velcro it around. And that's it. Attach the clip and you're all good. Choose everything you need. For that, you're basically ready to shoot. Okay, things I like about this gun. It's a bipod. How big it is, clip size, and that makes you feel like a black Rambo. True. I really just like that. It may be heavy to most people, but to me, this is extremely light, and I like it a lot. What I like to play with is CQB and outdoors, but it's not really good with CQB. It's so big, but I'm still good at it, and I still own everybody. Probably only thing I don't like about it is the CQB, but other than that, shoots fine with me. I carry it fine. I can run with the thing. That's really it. And if you can't handle it, you can't handle it. Alright everyone, this is G again. Thank you for watching the review on my G&G MK43. If you liked our show, please like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.
Juice.
Oh shit, is that?
Alright, let me see, do it again.
Show me your nipple.
No.
Show me your nipple.
No. Show me nipple, you hard.
Come on,
Show
just
me
a little bit,
them
man.
titties.
Come on, just one little.
Come on,
One little dips, baby. Come on, baby.
Come on, let us see your nipple, dog.
Come on. They're not gonna be able to see it. I can see it right. Ooh, he's horny.
Flip it upward, and the barrel slides off. It's good for if you want to clean your barrel out or anything like that. Fucked it up. Doing so well. Wait there. Hey, push back, push in. Then pull forward a little bit, and push back. Yeah, I can't fix it back. Let's not touch that again. It's not off. There we go. There. Some of the things I like about this gun is that I like how big it is. I think it's just awesome how big it is.
I bet. You like them big, big and chunky.
How black it is, how big and black it is.
Wow.
Alright, you can't do this, dude.